Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to block your Outlook calendar for out-of-office time. This is a great way to let others know you are unavailable and to avoid scheduling conflicts. Let's get started. Open your Microsoft Outlook calendar and go to this year's calendar. Click on New Event. Then type Out of Office so others know you are not available. Set this event as All Day. Next, set the date from the starting date, for example today, until the day you return. If you will be out for the whole month of April, it will show from April 14th to April 30th that you are out of the office. You can also make this event recurring for the rest of May if needed, using the recurring option. Once done, click Save. As you can see, you are now marked as out of the office from April 14th to April 30th. You will also see a reminder showing that you are out of the office. And that's how we block an Outlook calendar for out-of-office time. With this simple setup, we can manage schedules better and keep everyone informed.